Let's have a look at the new Leatherman Juice B2. Here's the blue model and the red-orange model. So let's have a look at the two knives. So we have a straight plate right here. The actual cutting length is 5.5 centimeters or 2.16 inches. The overall length of the plate is 6.5 centimeters or 2.56 centimeters. So let's have a look at the second plate we got. It's where is it? Right here. It's a serrated plate. The length of the cutting part is 6 centimeters or 2.36 inches, so about 5 millimeters longer than the other plate. The overall length is the same, 6.5 centimeters or 2.56 inches. The overall length from here up to here is 8.5 centimeters or 3.35 inches. It's a very slim design, Leatherman quality, like always. Yeah, it's nice. I actually don't know when I would use the serrated plate, only for cutting sausage or cheese or something like that. So I still prefer the Leatherman KB or KBX. But it's a nice knife for $25. Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free and ask. Thank you very much.